Good morning, everybody. Sorry for the late introduction. We're standing next to the road and we're about to go enjoy some food. See ya! We have a tangerine farm, as you can see. And then Mount Halasan in the background. So cool. We came to this restaurant to try some food. Okay, we are out here tangerine picking. Oh, here's a demonstration. Oh, oh, look at that. I have one tangerine in here, so I'm gonna keep going around. So beautiful up here. We got a bag of tangerines. They're not filled yet. I'm gonna pick it from the top, and then you're gonna cut it close to that. There you go. Teresa and I came to a random restaurant where their only menu is galbitang or tonkatsu. We ended up getting the Jeju-Ewha tonkatsu. Hopefully it's delicious. I don't know. It's only 2 things on the menu, which I've never had. So I just came back from the COVID testing site. We had to get our COVID test done because our dorms required one of the tests to make sure that we didn't contract it while we were traveling. Just waiting for a meal now. Okay, we are headed to the waterfalls. We just finished lunch and got off the bus from over there. Chongbang Waterfall. Look at these people just camping out here. That's so cool. This man is really in my picture. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. We came to a cafe to get some work done and we have a beautiful view of the ocean. This is the cafe that we came to. Wonderful place. Their Vienna coffee is pretty good. We had a pretty productive evening. I need to finish my earnings, guys. I still have school. We came to this market tonight to find some dinner, and they sell turbang. Today is the last day in Seoul. This is a short introduction during my 15-minute break of my Korean class. It's raining today, so I'm wet and cold. I am walking back to Starbucks. I ran outside to get a water bottle, and this one is just pushing me everywhere. We are headed to another city in Jeju, but it is a 2-hour transfer by bus. Buses are running regularly, so that's great. And then I have a quiz to take. After a long day of classes, we're finally headed to the Airbnb. Bye. We came to eat. Good morning, everybody. I'm in the middle of my Korean classes break. Try to get some coffee and tea from Teresa, and then I'll go back and start the day because it's really cool here. So I ended up getting some sweet bread with some marmalade in the middle, and then I got a vanilla latte. Wherever you go, all you see is the ocean. I think that's so wonderful. It's just so peaceful to look at. Good morning. I'm finally finished with my Korean class. Now we are headed to Sunrise Peak, and it's actually only like a 15-minute walk for us, and the other things are about 15 to 20 minutes. And we're gonna go over here. We're just following the trail up there. We got our tickets, and then we're gonna go up there. It's not too bad. It's just a lot of stairs. Whew. Going up, the view is totally worth it. A lot of people are here today, but it's alright. Super green. Beautiful view of the ocean. Teresa's really enjoying her time over here on the ground. We're on this very cute little island, and you have to sit on the ground, but before you even sit down or enter, you have to take off your shoes. Teresa saw some people sleeping on the ground. She's like, me too. So she's on the ground, and I'm just here looking for food, you know, doing all the hard work. Y'all will not believe that we came to the wrong port, and now we're lost. It's over. We're never getting back to Seoul. I'm not even getting back to Jeju City. I'm kidding. Turns out we went to some random port. I don't think it's random because everyone came here. It just wasn't clear where we're headed to, so here we are. We just found out that the port that we got dropped off at closes at 3, which is in like 5 minutes. So we have to go down south of the island, get to another port, and then Teresa has her class. So here goes the shuttle. We probably should have gone there, but I don't know where the shuttle stops. There goes the little... She's trying to log into class. We're about to go in there. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 유학생이에요?
네, 맞아요.
강아지예요?
귀여워.
강아지.
감사합니다. We are now on our way back to Jeju Island. What a crazy situation. She's walking with her book. We're about to watch a movie and a Korean drama, which I'm forcing Teresa to watch. We had Kyoto chicken, and then we went to the grocery store, to GS-25 to buy makgeolli and some peanuts. Bye! Good morning, everybody. So we're headed to the airport this morning. So we're about to start our classes and start our meetings and start everything in between. We have made it to the airport and we just checked in. We're about to drop off our luggage. And we're boarding. We're going.